When you think of European cars, chances are you picture luxury sedans, stylish SUVs, and some of the best car brands in the world, like BMW, Audi, and Volvo. But when it comes to reliability, many drivers still lean toward Japanese models. Today, we're breaking that stereotype. According to consumer reports and real-world owner data, there are plenty of dependable vehicles from across Europe. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 most reliable European cars you can buy, whether you're shopping new or used. Stick around until the end, because the #1 car on this list might surprise you.
Number 10. BMW Z4. Kicking off our list of the best European cars for reliability is the BMW Z4. Now, BMW might be known more for driving thrills than bulletproof dependability, but the Z4 proves you can have both. With a turbocharged inline-4 engine pushing 255 horsepower, this German car blends performance with solid reliability ratings, earning a 3 out of 5 score from RepairPal. It shares much of its DNA with the BMW 2 Series, and owners report fewer major issues compared to older BMW Roadsters. If you want a used European convertible that's both fun and fairly dependable, the Z4 is a safe bet.
Number 9. BMW 2 Series. We've got another BMW, the 2 Series. This compact sedan and coupe is one of the best German cars for daily driving. Powered by the same 255 horsepower Turbo 4 as the Z4, the 2 Series combines strong reliability with surprising affordability in the used car market. It scored 85 out of 100 from J.D. Power, putting it among the top 10 most dependable European cars. It's practical enough for small families, but still fun to drive, which makes it one of the best European cars if you want both performance and dependability. Number 8. Audi A8. Buyers in the market for a full-size, luxury European sedan that prioritizes reliability should put the Audi A8 on their shortlist. The German automaker's largest sedan is the only European full-size sedan to deliver average reliability. It scored 100 points. Although various publications give a lower score due to previous model years performing poorly. Its CZSE 3-liter turbocharged V6 succeeded the 3-liter supercharged unit, most prominently featured on the Audi S4 B8. While not as reliable, the newer unit still comes with decent predicted longevity and superb fuel economy, even in the full-size A8. At these power levels, the 8-speed automatic works smoothly and reliably, while 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 5.3 seconds. The A8's strong suit is its seriously upscale cabin that features cutting-edge technology and supremely comfortable seats. The A8 may not be the standout model for overall competency in the large luxury sedan segment. Edmunds ranks it 6th out of 6 models, but it's the only model to deliver respectable expected reliability among its competitors. Number 7. BMW 5 Series. The BMW 2 Series also scored 50 points out of a possible 100 from Consumer Reports' predicted reliability rankings, and that should come as no surprise given the Z4 and 2 Series share much of the same underpinnings. For instance, the 2 Series is also powered in its base version by the same 255 horsepower turbo inline-4. Like the Z4 we mentioned earlier, the base B48 engine is very reliable, with very few minor issues, and packs a surprising amount of mid-range punch. Moreover, it's cheaper to run than the inline-6 model, and also benefits from good aftermarket support should you decide to modify it. Of course, the most notable difference is the 2 Series comes with a hard top, 2 rear seats, they're tight but usable for small kids, and added practicality, but slightly less fuel efficiency due to its added weight. Those wanting a more powerful experience can also opt for the M240i model, which is fitted with an inline-6 cranking out 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque.
Number 6. Audi A6.
The BMW 5 Series isn't the only option for a dependable mid-size luxury sedan, as the Audi A6 scored slightly higher, with 55 points for predicted reliability. Like its bigger brother, the A8, the A6 delivers an exceptionally upscale cabin, a long list of desirable features, and plenty of comforts. And like the 5 Series, the A6 also has its performance variants, the S6 and RS6, but it stands apart from the all-terrain ready A6 All-Road. Against the 5 Series, the A6 has the advantage of standard all-wheel drive, while both models deliver tech and comfort in abundance. The 5 Series is quite a bit more practical, however, as it offers a notably bigger trunk. The Audi A6 is one of the more versatile premium models, and even with the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in after 6.3 seconds. Number 5. Volvo S60. The Volvo S60 is the Swedish automaker's entry-level sedan, but it delivers plenty of luxe features, impressive driving verve, and real-world practicality in a compact package. The S60 is also the only Volvo to make our list of most reliable European cars. Its score of 58 is nearly double that of the 30 points given to its larger stablemate, the S90. Volvo has always been for those who want something different from the German premium offerings. Auto reviewers are unanimous that Volvo currently has some of the best interiors in the business. All Volvo models are currently available exclusively with turbocharged inline-4 engines, but don't let that stop you, as they provide smooth propulsion and class-leading fuel economy, unlike Volvos of the past. The S60 comes in a mile-long list of available trims powered by internal combustion engines with mild hybrid systems or plug-in hybrid models. The base model returns a respectable 30 combined mpg from its turbocharged inline-4, cranking out 247 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is standard with all-wheel drive options available.
Number 4. BMW 4 Series. The 4 Series may put off some buyers with its gaping maw take on BMW's iconic kidney grille, but the compact sedan remains luxurious, sprightly, and well-appointed. The 2023 4 Series is available as either a two-door coupe, convertible, or a fastback four-door sedan. There's also the sporty M4 and even more bonkers M4 Competition, also available as a coupe or convertible. No matter the model choice, the 4 Series is surprisingly practical, even in its two-door guises. It has serious athleticism in corners, and it comes with powerful and smooth engines. Naturally, the B48-equipped models are easier on the wallet while reliable and economical. That said, the BMW 4 Series really shines when equipped with an inline-6. While the previous models on this list have all scored average for predicted reliability, the 4 Series is the first to deliver better than average expected dependability. This can be attributed to most of the models on this coming from luxury automakers, and J.D. Power has said luxury cars often have lower reliability rankings due to their newer concepts and features.
Number 3. BMW 3 Series. Though luxury cars may generally rank lower for predicted reliability, BMW is an exception, as this list has shown. In fact, BMW was ranked 3rd overall in Consumer Reports' latest ranks for the most reliable automakers overall. BMW trailed only Lexus and Toyota on the list, while beating out brands synonymous with reliability, like Honda and Subaru. Like its two-door sibling, the 4 Series, the 3 Series base turbo 4 engine provides great performance, with 0 to 60 miles per hour happening in 5.4 to 5.6 seconds, depending on whether you get the xDrive all-wheel drive or not. Leading BMW's reliability rankings is the 3 Series, which earns a predicted reliability score of 78 out of 100 points. The 3 Series was recently overhauled with new styling and technology, and it continues to deliver poised handling, compact pragmatism, sprightly powertrains, and a well-appointed interior. Number 2. Mini Cooper. Britain may not be known for delivering supremely reliable cars, but perhaps the country's most iconic model, the Mini Cooper, bucks that trend. The sporty and funky little subcompact scored 89 out of 100 possible points for predicted reliability. So it's not only one of the best European cars for expected reliability, it's one of the highest ranked among all cars today. In the past, Mini's reliability record was not great, and it was, mostly, down to the engines, which were co-developed by PSA and BMW. However, newer examples, fitted with the BMW B38 engine, have proven surprisingly stout while combining great fuel economy with engaging driving characteristics. Moreover, this is virtually the same engine found in the BMW i8 hybrid. The Cooper can now be had in SUV and wagon-like variants, but for the spunkiest little city car/corner carver, the original is still the top choice. On top of its lively engine and athletic handling, the Cooper delivers a well-appointed cabin and a long list of desirable features. It's certainly not the most practical option among Euro models, but it has an undeniable charm that can't be matched. Number 1. Audi A5. For expected reliability, no European car comes close to matching the Audi A5. The 2023 A5 scored a nearly perfect 95 out of 100 points in Consumer Reports' predicted reliability rankings, putting it in the upper echelon of all cars, trucks, and SUVs available today for expected dependability. The A5 can be had with a variety of Turbo 4 and turbocharged V6 engines. The base Turbo 4 engine is not particularly powerful, but most of the quirks with earlier models have been taken care of. It's also one of the most fuel-efficient engines on the list and still allows for a 0 to 60 mph time of 6.3 seconds. The 2023 A5 can be had in several guises, including as a coupe, convertible, or four-door hatchback-like sedan. The A5 shares much of its underpinnings with the A4, and, like its stablemate, it excels in performance, technology, comfort, and with its refined styling throughout. The A5 can be had with a choice of powertrains, with models starting at just over $45,000 MSRP.